In this video, you'll learn how to transfer funds between Binance wallets. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and ensure your transactions are completed without any issues. Begin by accessing Binance and logging into your account. You can do this through the app or the website. Once you are logged in, locate the main menu and open the wallet section. Here you will find various wallet types, including spot, funding, earn, and margin. It is essential to identify the wallet where your funds are currently stored. Understanding your wallet locations is crucial to prevent sending funds to the wrong account, as internal transfers do not require blockchain confirmations or incur fees. Next, look for the transfer option within the wallet section and click on it. You will be prompted to select the source wallet from which you want to transfer funds and the destination wallet where you want the funds to go. Ensure you choose the correct wallets to avoid mistakes. After selecting the wallets, choose the specific coin you wish to move, then enter the amount you want to transfer. It is advisable to double check the wallet types and the amount before proceeding to confirm the transfer. Internal transfers are instant and free, making this step efficient for managing your assets within Binance. Once you have entered the transfer details, review everything carefully. Confirm the transfer by using your chosen security method, which may include two-factor authentication or a security code. After confirming, check the destination wallet balance to ensure the funds have arrived. Transfers typically complete instantly, but if the balance does not appear updated, you should refresh the page. Keeping a record of your transactions can be helpful for tracking purposes, especially if you manage multiple funds. It is important to remember that internal transfers are designed to be quick and do not involve external fees, making them a cost-effective way to manage your funds across different wallets within Binance. Always verify that your internet connection is stable during the process to avoid interruptions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.